What's up, guys? Taking a puppy break.
Yeah, puppy break.
You guys want to be in the video? I heard there's pizza in the aid station. Let's go see.
There you go.
One, take two of these to go.
There you go.
Let's go. Yes. 4 hours in, only 16 miles, but I have pizza now. The plan is to get to 25 miles and then go to sleep. My legs are pretty heavy from running Eternal Damnation last week, so it's kind of stupid to do a 48-hour week after a last man standing race, but here we are. So let's keep pushing forward and show you guys what that sunrise looks like tomorrow morning. Got a pancake and some syrup, and we're about to watch the start of the 24-hour race. We got 1 minute.
Go! Alright, got 15 feet in there.
Alright, so I just hit 50K. The cool thing about this race is that you accumulate your buckle, so once I get to 50 miles, I get both a 50K and 50 mile, then 100K, then hopefully 100 miles. So got one buckle down. Hopefully I can collect a few more before all this is over. $50 miles are down, so I just got my second buckle, and up next I'll have to get to 100K to get that 100K buckle. Goodness. Whoa. Thank you so much.
Here's your bacon cook over here.
Yes.
He's the cook.
My hero. Thanks to Dylan for hooking me up with the bacon. Thanks to the power of bacon, I've made it to 100K, so 62 miles, and that means I got my third buckle Now we're at Buckle Mania, so up next is 100 miles, and that's gonna be tough. So I think I'm gonna try to make it to 80 miles, and then I'll get some sleep tonight, and then I'll knock out the rest tomorrow morning. Maybe I can go a little further, we'll see. It's cold, and the cold is cold because it's so cold, and I don't like running in the cold because, well, whatever. 15 miles to go, just like I planned it. Let's get this done. Guys, you've been here all day, man. Thank you so much. So a few years ago, I was running Dinosaur Valley 100 miler, and I was on the course with Will, and we were on that last loop together. We both powered through, made it to the finish line, and then the next day I saw on Facebook that he actually had a stroke, and it was just shocking to me because we were just running together. And then of course the doctors gave the diagnosis, you'll probably never run again, and a doctor's diagnosis is based on the average person. One thing about ultra runners, we're not average. So of course I just watched through Facebook because I live in Oklahoma City, Will lives in Kansas, and I'm watching through Facebook as he's learning to walk again and run again, and then he starts running 100 milers. So just such an inspiration to me because this is my 13th 100 miler. I want to get to 100 milers, and he's up in the 80s, and he is putting on this race, he is running this race, and he's actually beating me right now. He's probably going to finish the 100 miler before me. So Will, you're a badass. Thank you for inspiring me, and thanks to you and your wife Carrie for putting on this amazing event. This is a 1.82 mile loop, and we have people out here doing their first ever 50k, first ever 100 miler, first ever 50 miler, and then we have people out here who have ran over 100 milers, and they're all out here on this same small loop. And we're getting to share miles together, hear each other's stories, and everyone out here is just pushing their own limits, trying to achieve their goal, and we're all just out here becoming better people. And I am extremely grateful that you guys provided the opportunity for me to come out and knock out my 13th 100 miler. And if you want to come out and collect buckles, come out and check out next year's Earth Day Buckle Mania. And until next time, run trails, eat bacon.